Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a product here, the FreeStyle. This is the FreeStyle, the projector from Samsung here. So you can see the box, it's all environmental friendly box, right? It looks like a box, like shoe box, right? It is a brown box. And today we are going to open this box and see what we have inside, and we're gonna test it out as well. All right, are you ready guys? I'm so excited to open this box. So all right guys, we have here Samsung, the FreeStyle, Lay FreeStyle 6 Max, the vertical stack only. I don't know if maybe this is 6 feet. It doesn't say anything over here. So 100 inch the maximum, the screen size. One HDMI port, one port HDMI, probably different languages here. One cable for both audio and video, HDMI cable sold separately. That's all, 100 fit max. All right guys, let's open the box. I'm so excited to open this box and see what we have inside, right? All right, there's an instructions here, number A. So it depends on the farther you put your screen, you'll get the more bigger screen, okay? The projector, the farther you put, you'll get the more bigger screen. So it does also, they also sell a case separately, which haven't shipped yet, so I'm waiting for that as well. And they have different types of accessories or modules that you can connect with it. For example, like lamp socket, as well as the battery pack and so on. They might probably get more modules for this. So let's open the box and see what else we have here. It says Samsung in here. So let me take this out. So we have a remote control. We have a user manual here, the FreeStyle. The power brick. It's a super fast charging. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, super fast charging. What else? And the cable. So USB-C to USB-C. Definitely you can utilize this power brick for your phone as well. So a little angle USB-C in here. That's all in the box. There's also a little clip provided here where you can use this probably to manage a cable like that. Okay, it was in there. Ooh. Let's open the remote control. So one FreeStyle remote control, power brick with USB cable, and the cable clip. All right guys, that's what it's included inside the box. I'm already excited to open this up. The remote control, it's a joystick right here. Looks really cool, light, and the projector is not too light, not too heavy. This is a speaker. This is a subwoofer, the woofer over here, and you can remove this for the battery pack. If you buy, they will get that in the future, then you can use this. But for now, you can just close this with this little rubber thing here. It's a 360 surrounding sound, and on the side it has a microphone, HDMI, and USB-C. And this must be a microphone. Let's open this up. So you can see the lens here, right? Looks like there's also a touch control, and I can see there are lots of holes in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a rubber, like silicone cover, like cover pad on top of it. I don't know if you can take this out. That's why I was feeling weird when I was touching it. That's why they are sending you a different color of this, the FreeStyle, right? Because the outer part looks like the sleeve, a protective case, like silicone case. So this is the power touch control power, and this is a plus minus for volume. And you can connect with your phone from the SmartThings app. These two are the distance sensor. The third is the lens, and this is the next to the lens is for the remote control sensor, right? So these are the ventilation. The top and the bottom are the ventilations. And there's a microphone switch over here, on and off, micro HDMI port, and the USB port for the power. And this is the cradle. You can probably take this out as well. And the bottom is the speaker grill. All right, on the remote control side, the power button, there's a voice assistant, the directional button, up, down, left, right, and the middle button is to select, like press OK to select, button, return button, home button, smart hub or control pad, play and pause. This is plus minus, play and pause. The volume, plus and minus the channel. And these are a launching app for Samsung TV Plus, Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney Plus. It's all built-in button in there so that you can immediately open these applications. All right, let me connect this. So this can go like that. So basically, put that in here and you can hook up like that. Yep. So that you have a clean look for your power cable. Either you go like that, you're not messing up your cable, or go like that. See? Let me plug this in. Let's see what it does. All right, I just plugged in. Okay, I start hearing some noise. As you can see, the light over there. All right, it should work. Now let me show you how it looks like. So I see the light here. So this one you can enjoy the easy setup, enjoy 360-degree sound, so many ways to play, add some vibes to your next event. The compatible with the external battery. If you have a power bank, you can also connect that. Scale and move screen, which will create or make it angled. The FreeStyle automatically align your picture so you can start watching in seconds, and multi-voice assistant. It got full HD, big or small. The FreeStyle picture is brilliant in full 1080p HD with gorgeous high contrast visual and smart calibration. That's the good thing on this projector. It will calibrate on itself by analyzing the environment, including the lighting, to help create a stunning picture. And the big screen that goes up to 100-inch on the wall, floors, tables, and more, with the revolutionary point and play design. And the accessories, currently they have for the accessory they have the FreeStyle carrying case. The more accessories are coming soon. The FreeStyle skin that you can choose a color. What I told you earlier, that the top layout is the silicone cover, which you can buy the colorful one and you can replace that as well. And there's a FreeStyle battery base and the FreeStyle socket adapter for your lamp, where you can project from the headlamp as well. And it's sleek and portable, easy to set up, and it also contains the smart TV inside of the projector. You can make your movie night, design to go, everyday party, and so on. I'm going to use a remote control here, pairing with it. Let me turn off the light and see. You can also recharge this remote control using a USB-C cable. You can use the same cable.
Simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. To use the accessibility function,
so the remote control is step by step, or you can use the smartphone for the quick, easy setup. Right now I'm going to use the remote control here. So it asks me to connect my Wi-Fi. See, my light is on and I can still see the picture perfectly. Let me enter the password. So you need to agree to all. So it's looking for the updates, if there is any updates available. They should have updates available, because I see that, you see this is happening from time to time, and I can hear the cringy noise whenever it does that, and I have to move this around to fix it. See that? If I move my projector, then it will try to fix it again, but I don't know if it's so installed right now. I'm going to install it right now. Maybe that would fix the problem. I'm not sure. We'll see that moment. See that it's doing on its own, but it keeps happening that out of focus and the screen changes. So hopefully that version of the software updates fixes that. Let's see how it works. Yeah, you see that it keeps trying to focus on it, and there we go. This is what's happening. I don't know if this is something that they can fix from the software, then it should get fixed. Otherwise, maybe it's software also that can fix it. But let's see. Alright, the update has been completed. The FreeStyle is rebooting, so let's see if that fixes the problem. And you must use a Samsung account, or you can, there's a skip on top right hand side. Let's see what we have. We'll skip that, or got it. Now there's an option to select Bixby or Alexa. You can use one of them, or you can use later on. Discover a faster way to link your app. So select your favorite service below, then simply sign up or sign in using your mobile device or PC. By selecting Amazon Prime, will send your device ID, device type, country to Amazon Prime. So you can do that, but I'll do that later. Let's exit that. Let's proceed and see what it comes out. Okay. Alright, so this is a TV app, the smart app. That's a channel. That's a TV right now.
And we'll be back next Tuesday, 11:30 a.m. Eastern, but stay with us for more chatter coming up next.
It's a little slow when you use the remote control. Here you have Apple TV, Disney Plus, Prime, Video, Netflix, YouTube, HBO Max, Sling. So you have all the applications over here, even the internet browser here, and also you have free movies here. It's taking time because I think you're using it for the first time. So that's why they should have a dedicated button on the remote control for the YouTube as well, so that it would be really nice, because we use YouTube most of the time, right? So let me turn off the light and see how it comes out. I can still watch with the light on, but if you turn your light off, then you'll see a better brightness and better quality. Let me do that right now. Here you go. You can see, look at the clarity, the picture quality. I think that software update really fixed the problem. It's still not aligned properly on the top, but I think it's much better that it's not like flickering around like it did before. Right now I see it perfectly fine, no issues at all. Alright, you can go to your YouTube, go back to home, click on Prime Video button. It opens up the Prime Video. Click on the Netflix, opens up the Netflix. You gotta sign in. Click on the Disney Plus, it will open up the Disney Plus, and the last button in the Samsung TV Plus, that will open up a Samsung TV Plus. Free TV, no strings attached, and you don't even have to register this, so you can use the Samsung TV Plus as well. Start watching. The faster internet you have, the picture quality you will see more clear, but if you have slow internet, definitely you will see a blur. Let me do up in the ceiling and see how it looks like. You can see it's on the ceiling right now and it's aligning perfectly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely I like the FreeStyle project. If you want to know anything else about it, let me know, and I'll try to reply your comments and questions, whatever you would like to know. Let me know in the comment below, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you